Hello, flashlight people. I categorize my flashlights into 3 divisions. This is EDC division light. Small reflector and 2-cell powered and 300 lumens, something like that. This is outdoor division, 2-cell powered and turbo head. The same XML LED and 600 lumens. This is searchlight division, 4-cell powered and this large reflector and the same XML LED. Maybe it's a common sense that small reflector makes a large hotspot and large reflector makes a small hotspot. I'll give you the evidence now. Okay. Just a moment. It will be good. First, small one. This hotspot. Next, medium one. This hotspot. Too bright. Can you compare? Much smaller than small reflector. This one, medium size reflector. And let's compare with this one, the largest one. This difference. Too bright. Just a moment. Okay. This difference. Large reflector makes a small hotspot. Okay. And maybe already you have noticed that this is very similar to the M3LT Surefire combat light. This one is T40CS Sunwayman. Pretty much identical. This ring carry is the same. Reflector size is the same. Completely the same. This one, click switch. This one, momentary switch, no click. Twisting switch, basically. But other points, weight. A bit heavier on the Sunwayman, but this one is 4-cell powered. This one 3 cells. 4 cells. two connected, so 4 cells. You know, the price is 1/3 of this one. This one 3 times as expensive as this one. What do you think? This is the Japan-made holster for this M3LT. It's very good, like this. Well, like this, a bit short, so I like put out there and like this. This one also very good. I like head down carry. It's physically very good. Head up, I don't like. Head down is my preference. Anyhow, it's interesting. So, before the test, I'd like to compare the hotspot size between the two. Oh, sunlight is coming in there, but it will be possible. Moment. Yes. First, Sunwayman. This is Sunwayman high. Next, Surefire high. This difference. Sunwayman is 788 lumens, nearly 800. This Surefire M3LT is 800 lumens. Same. But look at this tight beam. It will make very interesting testing in outdoors. Can you see 2 houses in the farm? Maybe no. Closer one is 150 yards. The over there one 300 yards. Okay. Okay. Prepared. First, Sunwayman T40CS. This house 150 years. Over their house 300 years. This is Surefire M3LT combat light. 150 years and 300 years. Please compare. Let's zoom up a bit. Okay. Sunwayman like this. Surefire like this. Let's zoom up a bit. Sunwayman T40CS. Surefire M3LT. And over there, as you see, Sunwayman T40CS is brighter, more throwy. 300 yards, no problem. Right side, this one. Sunwayman T40CS. I think it's my recommendation. Okay, thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.